happening. Let me tell you today, government is going to borrow money to pay August, September, and October salaries. One more IMF chow. So one more chow. First quarter next year now. One more so this can be one more chow. One more yan intermomo. Yeah, ebeya yan chimere nimu. Every November, December hoko. IMF say no. Moya kromfo tiyem famba. We are still considering first quarter next year. IMF person miya banwe. Nana do catch that and say obi call IMF a derailed IMF. Pacho IMF we no a suicidal IMF. This IMF we are going a suicidal. Say most financial gurus in this country, they are pleading with parliament. So one more approving $1 billion loan. Yakwaji $1 billion loan. MPP MPs sikura person may approve this asikai. MPP MPs $1 billion. MPP MPs Mimi party MPs. One more say $1 billion US. They will never approve that money. $1 billion. MPP MPs sikura mpese. One person may approve this money. We got various online portals now. Financial experts, the economists, the Ghana has say they are pleading with members of parliament, MPs. So we are approving $1 billion. So yes, sir, this economy will cave in. Between now and the end of August and 19th July 2022, it was the 30th August, this government is struggling to survive. It's more a Bible so tuamukano, shadow so. Say, my salary need delay by 3-4 days, sir. Mo kumanto ye kakra beba. And this government has spent $77.5 billion US. Loans plus revenue. When this canina. What this canina? 77 billion Ghana cedis is kaketwa. Huh? Is kaketwa. Omo discanina. And what you know, Shade, Mammy Cassaman Shroud. I can't what you say, oh, Captain Tayabino, Mimi Tabano, me and PPD. But the attorney said, me a gun and each MPP. Yeah, but MPP back from PPD UP. 1992 whole June, no, not me, ya woman dada, and the MPP but told me, to my chair MPP, my chair NDC. It's Ghana share me as your so-called NDC and your so-called MPP ever power. Mebwa, Coco, Canoforata de Siawa. Get fund. I had the bonk on our hobra, ye de Siawa. Oil. Yedi esi awa. Gold. Yedi esi awa. Ye lithium keke. Yedi esi awa. Bauxite. Yedi esi awa. Ye koko yedi esi awa. Enfien Get fund enfien watwe. Oil enfien kuno. Gold enfien son. Lithium enfien sia. Bauxite 10 years. Kabom. Pacho mo muni mass no. 7 plus 8, say 15. 15 plus 9, say moyentem. Mimi masenye. 15 plus 9, 24. 24 plus 7, say 31. 31 plus 6, say 37. 37 plus 10, say 47 years. Ebe do 47 years. Now bana wa won neno. 47 years to come. And society when ya send jemu ama and say yam fire there. Nebedu wona koko na kasai. Ebedu wona get fund da. Je ku for the boy say yam fambo suku hubra. Can for ata de kosi awa. Waje besia. Oil ye de sia awa. Gold ye de sia awa. Lithium ye de sia awa. Bauxite ye de sia awa. Me see zoom lion ye ready ye do be sia awa. Mon kan che zoom lion. Ye di zoom line obekwa kwesi awa na ye de ayi tobinko esi awa anti bi munya ready media general ye kwa awa me see abaya kakra wo hospital pay ye de oba bekwa kwesi awa Say we ya bema ona ma hwe obema ye. We ya bema wona ma eya na do sa hye obotom no wa check say ukote wo ho. Anya sakeno for yata nya o de besi awa. Or the bema besi awa. Everything in this country are by way are collateralized. They have collateralized all these things and more. Why? It's all this happening. And yesterday I was reviewing a certain document before I went to bed. And I was asking myself, Ghana for money ma eye mebunu, those of us between the ages of 11 and 50, what will be our future? Say, obi over 50 years biano, what if 47 free man akatre? You will live a useless life for 47 years before you die. Meanwhile, this government is spending more than $730 million importing vehicles. More them. Check the number of Land Cruisers about Wiyakra. Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo told us in 2018 that young crackers maybe. No, sorry. Oh, Nana Kafra, my misco too. It was in October 2017. Memoir. Now check the number of Land Cruisers. You see, the point is that I am not against anybody. The point remains the same that there's something fundamentally wrong with us, our country. Kwame Nkrumah si bauxite factory. I was sashi. When he says our project, no, I can't win him. Obi anko ho. When him say Kwame Nkrumah started say Obesi Airport our front planes. Are you aware? Ko check hwe enema o me sise ho ina no e da sise ho hye nwuram. Are you aware? Ya Jimmy, with all apologies. Ya Jimmy. Enema we ina Kufuor hu oil wan fancy awowa. Kufuor de get fund buy wan fancy awowa. Kufuor onya 1 million tons of cocoa wan fancy awowa. Ghana ye gold your friend saying na ye wo golden share ye ton ye Sam Jonah in 3 months or my over $120 million one fancy wa lithium way go and ask Kofi Kuredu Apreku akumada tomatoes one more time and ye hu ade we ye fancy wa Ghana ha bauxite ye fancy wa ye design ma we na sia wa ye dachi e wo he. We are near catch and say, oh, be Casadodo. John Wedu catch and say, a Juma pa ban with the bano, ya be crank of Faber Yedma. John Wedu, Togo for Sana Yed Morgana. Togo, you see? I am a near money be your my neck Kefla, as some mechanical Quasada, bet to my son was sorry. Quasada, you bet to Mesua, a bit to my son was sorry. Hey, yeah, and ra. Many your friends saying Evans, any Felix, ya kwajengano, any samba edwumha. Tie, ya kwa yina mekache Evans say Felix in fi mechi ho baby or one non call the other side, on call driver side ho. Na me mbu seat na me na enya hwe. Me hu bubu ani a oton ade wo kwan ho. That was the reason why. That is the reason why me catch Evans say me pesa me da because na me raho. And ra a friend of the image bi kire me. Oba oye bubu ani a ogigi sika e wo toll boot. Yes say ye yinadi wa betra fi. Messenger or sending ye ne kire say boys ne ba ne beda. Who did the back one? No, I'm on 5 cities. Bubuani, yes, one so I'm on 90s. I know one day of heavy power. Silent Crofoka. Who are back? Could be 5 cities and some bubuani when you sika after the anedi. Why the catcher and say toll boot? No, Yencham. Yen Nimuyan Sakura, Yajimino, Yanka Sancro for Yajmo, think ye the Nube Moka. Nearby Montana Hoke and Omojina Bosumswa. Yem fentu omuka na employ nipa bebre we mu ba anopa we ba awia na we mu ba anajo yen run shift nipa miensa na yen reduce on employment. And these people are just walking on the streets, unemployed. Okay? Last 2 weeks, was it last 2 weeks? God in Dabeni, I know a number baby na mo we die. Last week, ye kokuma aponchi, ewo, enyem aponchi, mponchi, ewo domi. Abaya ba kwa ye di phone man so on charge my ntiem ye. Oye adwuma o bank. Ye good bank no. Ye say be compensate won. Compensation bi amai. Ena waton ne ho niam baby a ote dada na ode ye adwuma o bank no. No so ye adwuma o Royal Bank. Baby ote dada no ni fe wratu no onye sika. Enti ne dem nkonwa ne TV ne other electronic set no. Ena waton na ode akohan dan e wo ghetto. Ewo ghetto. You can't. Any pants, yes, sir. Now, Information Minister said, Nyamia Dom, new executives here will take us out of the woods. God bless you. Kojo Ponkroma. It tells us that Nanado Danko Akufado or the Yako Wudam Wabre Dine, ever where says any patnum with ye. Kojo Ponkroma na kai. Ye tam so the moha, Quesada how much pepper no could delete ye. Producer Hebra. And no could delete ye. He Ghana foi. Samani brea, opa temase, opa jai. Because Mosun Swanya would not chamka. The Etienne say, Ayana e yaw. He Obia Trade 39 years. 39 years, you know, Okofiedu Yamano 10,009 cities, 9 pesos. Oko tier 2, you say over 159.01 cities. Sika the man in here. Obiedi minister, cabinet minister, 4 years. Land Cruiser LC free. Saloon car SC free. Garden Boy GB free. Cook CK free. UTME Fuel FL free. Gas GL free. Free tickets to travel TK free. Chemie Dimachi accommodation 80 free. A demo see any idea fancy na furniture free. FN free. We a free. Oria height allowance free. Travel allowance free. Oria no credit na wo togu phone so no yen ye toma no eti call card CC free. Oria or be a friend of sitting allowance SL free. And then man free ne ye kono. Aduane food free. Uye enwa na one mano ade a ye friend no entertainment allowance EL and also free. Woman entertainment allowance we are no woman clothing allowance ntade obehye and also free. Woman clothing allowance we are no woman maintenance allowance or be car no santim no and also free. We maintenance allowance ni we bibia what the office bia so office what so bibia e free. We enwa medicals Oko hospital free. Wife Neyere medicals free. Children Nema medicals and also so free. Mentu aso we yemtwakuru. Sa neyere ne maame ne papa ne wofa na siwu dada damase. Funeral free. Ebinomage bottom allowance free. No matter belt hook and also free. These are the things that yedema kwabrane mfie nan ebikura kam owia na ya calculate fan said 900,000 Ghana cedis 9 billion asan dia money free say onjin kofie nkodi wabra obi edi teacher 39 years. These people are going, they are just fighting over something they call cola. This is stupidity. Yes, it be the cost of living allowance. Mo yare, mo teacher for no class, mo yare. Ukwaji cola, wabra inflation, e cost through 40%. Ne more cola 15%. Tifrim. What's the difference? You come to square one. Huh? One. It's a Ghana ni Dr. Mensa Otabika said teteno. So we Ghana ni a ye tria wo ka bosom na wie yansa ho achew. But the ne answer na bosom na bedu 15 fa ye tria wo ka no. 15th. Na what the ka. Na emebunu e wo krom ha. Fa kojo pan krom tweet ni bra. Ka asem o kan e. Na da o TV no so no. Mo TV no so mo nkan na we youth e wo Ghana ha what you say mumisa kojo pankroma say adent no delete ade we free ni tweet mumisa no why did he delete this kojo why did you do that time na we morning show host e wo joy say politician me na try ade we no delete yanka 3 weeks show and anka abaye ka obefre computer analyst na wa fre graphic designer na wa ko fre Twitter influencers na wa ko fre Mark Zuckerberg kura on Twitter fan ho no Facebook wo be ko fre fellow journalists. Why did you delete this kojo upon kunuma? Why did you delete this? Me say MPP station ba ko pe na mbe kwa akoye dede. Me say station ba ko pe na mbe kwa akoye dede. Because I want to song kwasi asem so me minister useless time no to spare. And then deputy minister be friend me say I am told I am on your show. I'm say hey, who told you are on my show? If you want to come on my show, just say it. Not Troye. Troye. Because I don't have time to waste oh. Troye. Or say, oh, I am told, I'm saying, who told you on my show? I have better things doing the whole of this month. I will just consider somewhere next month if I have the time for you. It's 15 minutes, okay? Me politician, me ababa me show you should be an kind of who say question pepe maybe sawo. Kosa ne pepe and maybe sawo. Umeyano, uyano a wo pa soro ko obi amfa ho. Because the politicians we have in this country, huh? Nana do say derailed IMF. They are mentally derailed. They are mentally derailed. Adeni nyadwuma sika cash. And they are politicians in the area. Eti, so who say NDC ni yede there up a power? Who say MPP ni yede there up a break the 8? Me say, mo be breaking enua. Enkutreti na mo be breaki. Se mfu akwa.